What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel Says What, and I'm back with, drum roll please, another taste test video. And today I went back, well, just a second ago, I went to the gas station and I was just getting something from there, and I came across, some more of those little snacks. If you guys remember my last video, I was telling y'all about the gas station that have snacks and things like that from the Middle East. And so today I found some for 25 cents, y'all. Yes, I said it, 25 cents. So I picked them up. So here's the first one that I want to do, just because I think it's so cute and adorable. And that would be this one. It's just called Panda, and it is vanilla cake filled with cocoa cream, which again, I say a lot of these, the stuff that they have, it sounds like similar to a lot of American things that we have. So once again, this is produced by the Saudi Jordania Industries, and it's from Jordan. It's made in Jordan, and which is I don't know if I'm saying it right, the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan, which is located in Western Asia, and Saudi Arabia is basically, that's the border, because there's Jordan and then there's Saudi Arabia, I guess. So hey, thank y'all for these delicious treats. Once again, it is this here. It is called Panda. Vanilla cake filled with cream. Cocoa cream. Okay, so let's just hop right on into there. I actually hope it feels like it may be shaped like a panda. I'm not sure. It would be nice if it was, though. That would be extremely cute. But oh, wow. And it basically kind of is shaped like a panda. This is what it looks like. Oh, ain't that just cute? Okay. So we're just going to hop right on into it. Look at the little panda, you guys. Ooh, okay. It just looks like a bear. But, yeah, I'm going to eat the head first. It's pretty okay. The texture is kind of thick. It has like a thick texture. Buttery. And I didn't taste any of the cream in the head, so I'm assuming that it may be all in the stomach area. So let's see. Still no cocoa cream, you guys. So did y'all just see that? The little they had in the whole entire thing, there was no cocoa cream. The little bit of cocoa cream they just had, which looked like they, put it in the ass area, just fell out. Which was this little piece here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. No, I don't think y'all can. I don't know. There we go. That's a little piece of cocoa cream, y'all. That's it. There was no cocoa. It was all cake. And the cocoa cream was like in the ass end of the panda. But yeah, it was good though. I mean, I liked it all. I'll give it a See. Oh, hold on, you guys.